Everyone, and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Bitfinex password if you have forgotten it. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. In order to do this, just go ahead and open up your web browser on your smartphone. Then just go into bitfinex.com/login. Now, from the login page, just tap on the Forgot Password button at the bottom of the page. You will then be asked to enter your email address. So just type it in and then tap on the Submit button. You will then be asked to check your inbox for a link. Just open up the email that is sent to you by Bitfinex and tap on Reset Password Now. You will now be allowed to set up your new password. Just type in your desired new password and then type it in once again to confirm it. Finally, check on the box to confirm that you have set a unique password and then tap on the Submit button. Finally, use your Google Authenticator application to find your two-factor authentication code. Now just paste this code within this box and then tap on the Submit button. And now your password has been reset. You can now use your new password along with your email address to log into your account. And that is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.